Good day everyone, this is a bin MSI robot. The bin MSI robot is designed to operate as a packing and a dustbin robot. This robot has a packer, an hydraulic packer that takes in dirty and transforms to a waste bin. I'm going to be walking you on how this thing works as a dustbin. So firstly, you will notice that there's a kind of a mechanism that takes the packer down in the video. That's the hydraulics, and